Pao! Oh, congrats! Pao! 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 Congrats! Pao! Parang yung Miss Jeng? Exposure! Yaman, Miss Jeng! Bongga si Vito! Bongga ni Vito? Vito, congrats!
Ako naman sobrang na-overcome yung like, yung local niya. So, kung ano talaga, yung parang, alam ko, kikiligin talaga ako. Parang nag-give yung kilig, yung happy na, tapos yung kurot, ganyan. Bakit? Kaya yung characters na kayo. So, pagkasadahanan mo, sila yung mukha-relate. Saka nakaka-relate sa
Grabe naman yung nakaka-relate.
or relatable yung characters.
Ako, feeling ko kay Sari, nakurot niya ako dun sa part na ready na ako eh. Tinanggap ko na parang kaya ko na mag-isa eh. Tapos biglang pinakilala mo to, biglang dumating to. Tapos tatanggalin mo rin. Ayoko na! Ayan. Nakakaano na. Dun yung kurot parang, oo nga, sad.
Ako naman kay Kuya Paolo, kasi sobrang yung character niya talaga na parang sobrang hopeless niya. Tapos yung lesson doon na parang sa kabila ng hopelessness, meron talagang hope. Thank you. Kabilang niyo ba?
Feeling ko naka-subscribe unlimited si Ate Kim.
Yes! Grabe! Grabe talaga.
Grabe. Ang dami. Sana nabusog ko.
Yes! Busog na busog ang mga fans din yan.
Yeah.
For sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
So much. Thank you. Panigurado.
Can we invite lang everybody to watch my live?
My love will make you disappear without showing.
Thank you.
Keri! Karina! Tama kita. Tama kita. Ito sa tumaan mo na dapat.
Kanina talaga, bakla. Gusto ka ba?
Gusto mo rin siya lang.
Uy, buti nakapala kayo. Nanood kayo.
Wala, pinag-abang na kami sa iyo, Bing. Talaga yung nabahan ko dun.
Ayan sa direksyon, ayan na rin ang Kim Pao!
Ito na po ang cast ng My Love Will Make You Disappear. Okay, before anything, of course, Jane, isang photo lang muna.
Yes.
Yan.
Smile to our camera. And let's smile to the camera. Ganda lang lang nila, color scheme nila, very pastel.
Grabe yung color palette, di ba?
Totoo. And of course, we would like
enjoy na lang natin itong pelikula. Sana magustuhan nyo at sana may makuha kayong magandang lesson dito sa pelikula ko. Maraming salamat. Sana bukas supportan natin sa cinemas. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, we would also love to know, of course, the thoughts of the one and only Kim Chu!
Totoo lang, kinakabahan po talaga ako, pero dahil sa inyo, this is gonna be amazing! Thank you sa lahat po na nagpunta ngayon, sa mga friends, supporters. Pero may special greeting daw siya dapat today. Sila si Mega Dencia. Congrats! Congrats! Ayan, nasabi ko ha.
Date reveal!
Ma'am si Delsin, Ma'am si Aga, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nandito. Thank you so much.
Okay, from OA to nonchalant, let's give it up for Paolo Abelino!
fans. Our bosses, our colleagues from work, brands that are here. Salamat, maraming salamat.
Once again, everyone, Cinema 3, let's give it up for the cast of My Love Will Make You Disappear!
Alright, thank you so much to all the cast. And of course, sa lahat ng mga fans na nandito ngayon, you may now settle down. Siyempre, sana nakaready din ng mga popcorns nyo as we go to our respective seats. And once again, of course, we would love to remind everyone about the anti-camcording of our very own movie. Strictly no recording. Mobile phones and any other device.
As we are not responsible for any loss or damage to your personal items. So babe, Cinema 3, handa na ba kayo? Yes! Okay. So once again, we would like to thank everyone for being here and for supporting ABS-CBN Studios and Star Cinema. Kami po yung inyong host, or yung host for our In the Cinema premiere. My name is Ayana Perlas.
And I'm J-Red, and officially started, of course, our premiere night. Let's also come on in just a bit. Just not a bit. We'll start our premiere, but for now, of course, let's settle down. Of course, todo na ng fans ng Kimbao, YouTube, and the fans, of course, also of Pablo and the whole cast. My love will make you disappear.
A big congratulations po to Direct Chan, to also ABS-CBN Studios, Star Cinema, Sir Pico Del Rosario, congratulations! And of course, the whole cast as well of My Love Will Make You Disappear.
Saan umabot ang Kimbao, di ba? Sa mga unang shows nila.
Bongga! As in, I mean,
Visayas, Mindanao, inikat nila.
yung pinaka-latest atin nila, Jensen. I think.
Jensen.
Batangas. Yes. Bongga. Okay. So again, we would also like to remind everyone, nakikita ko naman na lahat ng phones nyo ay naka-record. So don't forget to post and use our hashtags, hashtag My Love Will Make You Disappear and hashtag MLWMYD for world premiere.
Ang inabang pa natin siya ng mga reactions. Kung kayo, siyempre before, bilang naka-record din sila, hindi na makita ang reactions. Pero after, yung lumaba, masaya na, it's fun, the whole time. We will see in just a few moments.
Ayan. Yes. Thank you as well to our friends from the media who are here to help us and who are covering as well from the red carpet from Julio Vargas to here, and also the crew who made this possible.
Yes, shout out of course to the promo team of Star Cinema and the whole Star Cinema family for making this film possible.
Yes, grabe, we are so excited. 2025 truly is our year.
Yes, totoo yan. And of course, kasi po magpaka-bongga for tonight, pwede ka magpunta ng mga vlog screenings.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Again, Jay, we would like to thank again our friends from the media. Thank you so much. Let's all settle down dahil I think excited na po ang mga fans ng Kimbao and syempre ang mga Zushis din to finally watch the movie My Love Will Make You Disappear. Ready na po kayo, Cinema 3? Alright, again, let's all settle down. And we thank you guys for being here, for supporting ABS-CBN Studios and Star Music.
Thank you so much for all the love and again, share this with your friends and family. Let's all support our Filipino films. My name is Jim Miranda.
And my name is Ayana Perlas. Thank you so much for being here. And syempre, Jay, let's enjoy the show.
Yes, and for now, let's call in, of course, Tristan Perez for our premiere.